Ma'am and sir, my name is Betty Crisostemo. My height is 157 centimeters. My weight is 47 kilograms. I do not have history of serious illnesses. I have TESDA NC2 domestic work training. I do not have work experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong, but I have work experience in Singapore for 10 years. My first employer, I worked for them for 2 years. My work duties are cleaning the house, ironing, and wash the car. My second employer, I worked for them for 6 months. My work duties are ironing, cooking, and wash the clothes. My third employer, I worked for them for almost 8 years. My work duties, I take care of the 2 kids, 15 years old and 2 years. I send and fetch them in the school, and I'm preparing them for food and wash their clothes and wash the car. I hope you hire me, ma'am and sir, because I will work properly and I will do all my responsibilities. Thank you.